Overview of elevators. Speaker: Wei-Xian Zhou, Guangzhou Light Industry Vocational School Vice President, Senior Lecturer, Senior Technician, member of the group of experts on elevator maintenance and maintenance in vocational college skills competition. This section will introduce the elevator from 5 aspects. The elevator is defined. First, the definition of the elevator. Definition of elevator. Elevator is a kind of transportation tool which is closely related to people's daily life and work. It is said that 1/3 of the people in modern cities rely on various elevators to travel between tall buildings throughout the day. The definition of elevator is divided into 2 kinds: broad sense and narrow sense. Generalized elevators include both vertical elevators and escalators and automatic walkways or horizontally carry passengers. A special elevator is defined as follows. In the sense of the structure of the certain floors, its capsules in the at least 2 columns perpendicular to the horizontal plane or plumb in angle is less than 15 degrees. Elevator classification. The elevator is classified by use. The elevators are classified by use. There are 7 main types of elevators: passenger elevator, freight elevator, passenger and cargo dual-use elevator, house elevator, medical elevator, sunrise elevator, special elevator. For example, sightseeing elevators, car lifts, and explosion-proof elevators, etc. The elevators are classified according to the National Elevator Manufacturing License. Passenger lift truck, lift hydraulic elevator, escalator, and automatic walkway. This is the escalator. This is the automatic walkway. Elevators are classified by speed. Low-speed elevator, the elevator with a speed of 1 meter per second and below. Express elevator, it refers to an elevator with a speed of 1 meter to 2 meters per second. High-speed elevator, it is an elevator with a speed of 2 meters to 3 meters per second. Super high-speed elevator, it is an elevator with a speed of 3 meters per second and above. For example, the super high-speed elevator of the Guangzhou Tower can run about 430 meters vertically in a minute and a half. If the elevators are classified according to the driving mode, they can be divided into tow elevators, hydraulic elevators, and compulsory drive elevators. If the elevators are classified according to the machine room, they can be divided into the elevators with no machine room and the elevators with the machine room. If the elevators are classified according to the drivers, they can be divided into driver's elevators and driverless elevators. If elevators are classified according to power supply, they can be divided into DC elevators and AC elevators. The elevators are classified according to the control mode, which can be divided into many kinds, among which there are 6 kinds commonly used. It is the inside button control elevator, outer button controls elevator, signal control elevator, collection control elevator, parallel control elevator, and group control elevator. Next, we introduce the quality technical parameters of the elevator. The parameters that a user must provide when operating an elevator from an elevator manufacturer are called the main parameters, such as rated capacity, rated speed, the size of the capsules, the car door open form, size and direction, traction mode, control mode, stop lower number and size, and so on, a total of 16 such parameters. The main parameters of the elevator. In the main parameters of the elevator, the rated load and the rated operation speed are also called the main parameters of the elevator. Because once these two parameters are changed, the main parameters of the elevator and the structure and parameters of many electromechanical parts of the elevator should be changed accordingly. The overall quality of the elevator. Technical assessments indicators. So what makes an elevator a good lift? This is the Elevator Comprehensive Quality Technical Assessment Index that we want to introduce. In elevator industry, commonly used safe, reliable, comfortable, energy saving. These four words to measure. The safety refers to occurrence of personal injury and equipment accidents during the use of the equipment. Reliability refers to a solid, durable, low failure rate. Comfort refers to the passenger's lack of pressure when the elevator starts. There is no sense of weightlessness in the deceleration process. The running process does not feel left and right, shaking up and down, and low noise. Energy saving refers to the high energy efficiency and low power consumption of elevators. We introduced the basic concept of elevator. From the model of the elevator, you can learn some of the main contents. From the model of the elevator, you can learn some of the main contents mentioned above. For example, a certain type of elevator displayed on the screen shows a passenger lift with a load of 1,500 kilos and a rated speed of 2 meters per second using AC power and microcomputer group control. Finally, we introduce the basic mechanism of elevator. The basic structure of elevator can be divided into four parts: machine room, shaft, cage, and floor. The basic mechanism of elevator can be divided into 7 systems from function and role, namely traction system, guided system, cage system, door system, weight balance system, electrical control system, and safety protection system. This section gives an overview of the elevator from the definition, classification, parameters, model, and basic structure of the elevator. I believe that you will have a more intuitive general understanding of the elevator. The 7 systems that make up the elevator are described in detail.